Hey everyone, Alex here with Carter Products. Now today I want to talk to you about the Cobra Coil. The Cobra Coil, I get a lot of questions, should I replace the spring in my saw? Well, yes and no. If you'd like to basically make it a lot easier to tighten and loosen, then yes, this is definitely the way to go. Cobra Coil does a couple of things for you. Number one, when you tighten and loosen this, I don't know how much you like trying to do that, well, this will save you a lot of time. It's about 2/3 less tightening and loosening the tension knob. Now the other thing that it does, since it's a stouter spring, it gives you constant tension. That way, when you're cutting, I've had the blade kind of give me a little bit of a whiffle cut. Well, that's because the spring compresses and then lets go, and for a microsecond, you get that little whiffle in the cut. Cobra Coil will prevent that a good bit. But again, it's a nice time saver. It makes the saw much easier to use, not to mention a lot safer because it doesn't lose that micro tension all the time. So this will eliminate that. It'll make it much easier to tighten and loosen your saw, and it's a great inexpensive item to add to just about any 14-inch cast iron frame saw. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for news, tips, and product update. Follow the link in the description to explore all the great tools that Carter Products has to offer.